And this can be done on budget. And the benefits of this will outweigh that low amount of money you spend on ice cream and drinks, okay? Hiya, welcome again to Gift Consultant Podcast. This is Eva, your consultant for employee engagement and retention. This month, we are talking about team building ideas you can do with your teams on budget. We shared one great idea last week. You can listen to it later on if you missed it. Another team building idea you can set up on budget is an outdoor game day. If you live close to the beach, you can take an afternoon out with the team for something like volleyball game at the beach. If you have the materials, cool. If not, you can rent or purchase them. They're not very expensive. You can find some on Amazon and get delivered quickly. And again, as a gesture, you can offer your teams some ice cream. There are many ice cream bars at the beach, or some drinks. And this can be done on budget. And the benefits of this will outweigh that low amount of money you spend on ice cream and drinks, okay? It will be a memorable day, so don't forget to take pictures. You can organize that on a Friday afternoon, for example, but you and your team need to prepare that in advance. You can prioritize certain workload ahead of time, and if needed and possible, you send a kind notification to your clients that you won't be available on that Friday afternoon and that you would attend to any inquiry the next workday. And trust me, they won't mind. It's Friday afternoon, okay? So far as you're not doing that every Friday, you're good, okay? So that's it for today. See you next week for another episode. Enjoy our song for this month and see ya. Bye-bye.
South, my constant solid ground. You are my lantern in the night. When I'm twisted up and shaken, you're the one I put my faith in. Yeah, you're the reason I survive. You keep me steady when the sky is falling. So let the stars drop, whatever comes, I'll be ready. You keep me steady. You keep me steady. You're a river, you cover me. When the bombs fall, you're the cavalry, yeah. Somehow you always standing right by my side. So no matter what I will be facing, I will not be overtaken.